Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I have a special unboxing to get to. I am super duper excited about this package. Let's hope and see it's exactly what I needed and exactly what I wanted. So I'm super excited. Okay, let me just tell you a little bit of backstory, but first, if you are not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. Click that notification bell for more videos with me. If you are new, click the subscribe button. If you're returning, hello y'all. I missed y'all, and this is an updated unboxing. I haven't really unboxed in a while, so I decided to come on here and unbox this. This is my first unboxing of what this product is, but I'm super duper excited. So yeah, you guys, give this video a thumbs up. Like I said, subscribe down below. I love y'all, and let's just get right into this video because I'm super excited. All right, y'all, so this is the box. This is what the box, just comes in our little brown box. Oh, I'm super excited. I got my knife. I said knife. I got my scissors here. Let's just unbox it. I'm super duper excited right now. Woo. Let's see. Let's see what's in the box. Let's see what's in the box. Let's see what's in the box. Ooh. I'm super duper excited. Can't contain my joy for what's in this box. So we'll be all right here. Let's see what's in this box. Ooh. Y'all don't know how excited I am. Put that at the top. Right? Ooh. Oh my freaking god. Yes, it is. Yes, it freaking is. Okay, so. Okay. All right. It better be the size. It better be my size. I'm gonna be very upset. See. It better be my size. Okay, it says, I don't know if y'all can see it. Oh, it says Ivy Park on here. I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah. But it says 7.5, so hopefully it's the right size. Okay, let's see. Let's see if they got it. Men's size 8. The shipping was $13.95. They have something on here. Welcome. Let's see. By now, you already know how StockX is live marketplace for sneakers, streetwear, collectibles, handbags, and watches. But we're about to do much more. StockX is about success. Whether it's the latest sneaker drop you've missed out on, Gucci bag, always wanted, Stock is everything that is available and is 100% authentic. Plus, with StockX, you always pay a fair price and true market price. So thank you for buying StockX and for being a part of the incredible community. Let's go, CEO. So on here, obviously it says Adidas Night Jogger, Beyonce, Ivy Park. I don't know if y'all can see that. Beyonce, Ivy Park. It's a men's size. It's a US men's size 8. So when I saw it on there, it said it was a 9 in women's, so hopefully it's correct, but the box says something different. But let's see. The box says something totally different. So this is the shoe. Ooh. So this is what the shoe looks like. I don't know if y'all can see. I feel like my thing is a little bit bright, but it is beautiful though. I ain't gonna cap it. It's nice. So let's see what it says. I'm actually gonna have the little. I didn't know the tag was as big as this tag, but yeah. It says a US 8, in men's. And the UK is 7.5. So this is what it looks like. Oh, the thing is really big. Hold on, let me see. Ooh. Let's see. I don't want to break it, but this is not supposed to be hanging on the well, you're not supposed to wear it on there. But yeah, this is the little Ivy Park logo, and this is the shoe. Oh, that's the stuff in there. This is the shoe. It has Ivy Park. Trying to feel it. So this is the shoe. I'm super excited though, regardless of how it is. But yeah, I didn't know the tag was this big. The tag is kind of huge. But this right here, I'm gonna put it on my bag. Something slight, something simple. But yeah. So this is what this shoe looks like. I'm super excited. I want to try it on and see. But as a men's shoe, like as I'm looking at it, it looks kind of big. But I don't know. Oh, let's see. It has the thing on here. See what it says. Baseball. UK. Yeah, so everything on here. US 8. So US 8 in men's translate to a, if I'm not mistaken, see, that's why it says US men's size 8. So I think I might have a little bit of room in there, but it's actually really a nice shoe. I'm not even gonna cap. Like, it's very nice. It's very nice. I'll be able to wear it. It has like orange and stuff in there, so I'll be able to wear it. So that's kind of cute. I don't know if I turned it down bright enough for y'all can see it, but it's a really nice shoe though. I'm not gonna even cap. I love like this part of detailing in the back. This is a good shoe, I believe, for like summer. Not right now because it's so like rainy outside, because I wouldn't want to mess this beautiful ash shoe up. But it's super duper cute. I like it. Okay, it's the right size, so it says size 8 on the thing, so you know. Please inspect item, all claims null and void. Tag is removed. So I'm gonna see if, I mean, the true test will be see if it actually fits me. It's the true test. So let's go ahead and try this on and just see how they fit. See if I need to get a, hopefully I don't want to get a better size. I think it's big enough for me. It looks much big in the thing, but I love this Ivy. I love this Ivy Park thing. It's so super cute. I would love to put this on my bag or anything. I like that. So yeah, this is the shoe, you guys, and let's go ahead and try it on right quick. Period. I think what I'm gonna do is just keep it, because this one is a little bit like loose, but I guess it's okay, honestly, for a shoe to be a little bit loose, like especially if it's a men's size. But I think it's pretty cute. I think if I just wear it with some black, you know, jeans or whatever or something, hopefully I have a friend that has the same pair of shoes, so hopefully we can be matching this and be so cute with it. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and then you see the Ivy Park right there. But I want to give y'all a close up, so I try to. But yeah, this is the shoe. Sorry for my floor, but this is the shoe. The part is, y'all, I don't even wear sneakers like that. I do like sneakers, but I don't really wear sneakers like this. So to have some authentic to have authentic shoes like this, and it being Ivy Park and Beyonce and what she stands for and stuff, like, and Adidas and all those other things. Like, I never had Adidas anything, so to have this is very interesting. Like, to have this is interesting. To have this is really, like, really, I guess, fulfilling. Like, because it's such a, like, because it's such a brand, because it's Beyonce and it's Ivy Park, and it's like, it's just way better to know that I'm supporting Beyonce, and I'm supporting Adidas, and I'm supporting the brand. Yes, I did not get it from their actual Adidas website. I got it from another company. I'm gonna tell y'all the real tea. Like, I did not get this from the Adidas website. Literally everything on that website for Ivy Park Adidas is sold out. So there's a lot of if you didn't get certain things, go on different websites and different apps and stuff and try to get it for a good price. I ain't gonna even lie to you. I went to Poshmark. Their prices for this thing was so expensive, but I think because they were reselling it or whatever and they wanted to get most of their money, I paid $198.95 and then $13.95. I know there was an app that I downloaded called Goat, and it had shoes like this, but their prices were too much. Like, their prices was like $205, I think, and then they add $10 shipping. So it makes it, like, even, you know, it doesn't make it right for me to buy something for $200 something from a brand, from a website that's not even Ivy Park. Okay, I'm not about to do that. But this one, it was a little bit more affordable. I bought it late at night. I guess try to do that, and you can probably get you one of these if you want this type of shoe. Some people don't like this type of shoe. I got it honestly to have a statement piece, and because it's Beyonce, it's Ivy Park, and I like Beyonce, and I love Beyonce, and I love everything she stands for and all that. Even though this is not from the Adidas like the Adidas collection from Ivy Park that launched on January 17th, I believe. I was too late to the game to get all the other stuff, so I was really just on the apps constantly trying to see if there was a good price for it. Poshmark was expensive, and then the shipping was a lot. People paying $225 for this shoe, like, even more so, and you're not, like, it was a lot. So I did not get it from Poshmark. I did not get it from Mercedes, I think it's, or Mercedes. It's also another selling website. I did not get it from there. I got it from StockX. StockX is very, I guess, I mean, I've been going on the app, and they have a lot of shoes. A lot of, like, expensive name brand shoes, like Yeezys and Adidas, and just all Fenty's there too. Just a whole bunch of stuff. So I believe that I got this for a fair price. The retail price for this is $160, and obviously, like I told you, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna be honest and real about what is going on. I paid $198.95. You let me know if that was a deal for something that is all sold out. Literally all sold out, everything, and people are literally reselling this. So honestly, technically, I really could resell this for a much higher price, like everybody's doing, because literally people are paying $225 for this. So I don't know, I'm trying to debate and if I want to go on Poshmark and even sell these shoes and get me some more profit, period, because that's what y'all doing, right? Okay, that's what y'all doing. Y'all buying it. Some people are actually, like, kind of sad that they didn't get the right size stuff, so that's why they're trying to resell it. But some people really just will buy it and then resell it for a higher price. People are interesting. People are something else. But yeah, but I like the shoe. I will not be returning this shoe. I'm trying to debate on if I'm going to sell this shoe, since everybody is selling this shoe for expensive price. And some people, honestly, some people won't even tell you that that's what they're doing, but honey girl, that's what they're doing. They're not telling you, but that's exactly what they're doing. They're buying it and then they're reselling it on the apps and making money off of that, and making money off of you, which is, I don't think it's a good price. That's why I was kind of really upset at Poshmark, and I was upset at Messiah, I was upset at the consumer, period, for even thinking that, yes, it's Beyonce, but thinking that you can just snub somebody. This is $160 and you trying to let them get $225. Yeah, I know you're trying to get profit or whatever, your revenue, resale, whatever the case may be. But like, come on, like be really real and be a good person and know that, like, come on, you know, people just, but then again, you have some people who know that because it's Beyonce and because it's Ivy Park, that they will pay as much money as they want to for this shoe. But I really want you guys to consider to really look for the alternative if everything is sold out. So look for the alternative. Look with StockX. I'm not affiliated with them, but look with StockX and see if you can get this shoe if you still want it, and the other shoes. They got the other shoes too, but make sure you go on their website and you look at their website or their app. I don't think they have a website. I think they have a website and an app. So look at the app and look at the website. I'll link their stuff in the description box below so you can go ahead and get you one if you wanted to. It's up to you, or you can just go to Poshmark and get it for $225 or $250 and all these other outrageous prices, even though some people just want to resell it and get money. I'm not really that type. So honestly, I'm saying that I would, but I probably wouldn't, because I guess I'm just too much of a good person to be doing all that. So yeah, I would not be selling this shoe. I'll probably keep it and just have this as a statement piece and have this as something that I wear when I want to wear it. And yeah, but that's basically it, you guys. This is the Ivy Park times Adidas collection. I wanted to get other things. There were so many other things. There was like jumpsuits, biker shorts. I'm just gonna wait until Beyonce launches another set of those things, or another, you know, another outfit or something like that. I'm just gonna wait. But I got what I really wanted, and these were the shoes that I really wanted. Besides the jumpsuit, this is what I really wanted. So yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. This is Ivy Park, y'all. But yeah, take a look at that website. I will leave it in the description box below. But if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell for more videos. I got more videos coming up with the same look, thing, and everything. So keep up with me, y'all. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.